dear student, how are you? And now I want to explain about non-metals. क्योंकि मेटल के बारे में सब कुछ आपने डिटेल में पढ़ रखा है. Then it is the time to discuss about non-metals. Especially under the chapter metals and non-metals, we are going to discuss about the non-metals. You know, those substances which have tendency to gain electrons are considered to be non-metals. जिन एलिमेंट में इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करने की टेंडेंसी होती है उन्हें नॉन मेटल्स कहते हैं. These have electronegative nature and all the electronegative elements are considered under non-metals. Okay? और कैसे पता चलेगा कि these are no doubt these are electronegative in nature, because generally these have 4 or more than 4 electron in their outermost cell. और केमिस्ट्री में एक्सेप्शन तो एवरीवेयर, एक्सेप्शन इज एप्लीकेबल ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. तो कुछ पते एक्सेप्शन है. जनरली दोज एलिमेंट विच है 4 or more than 4 electron in their valence cell are considered under non-metals. Means those substances which have tendency to gain electrons are called non-metals. These are said to be non-metals. These have electronegative nature. Electronegative nature, you know. Electron gaining tendency is known as electronegative nature. Since these have electron gaining tendency, electron को gain करना चाहते हैं, and all the electron gaining elements are considered under electronegative elements. Hence, we can declare all the electronegative elements are non-metals. Okay? For example, as copper, chloride, bromide, iodide, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. Not only this one, there are a lot of elements which are counted under non-metal. Why carbon is considered to be non-metal? Because you know well, in all these elements counted as non-metal. For example, as carbon. Carbon has atomic number 6, 2, 4. The outermost shell has 4 or more than 4 electrons. Just like Cl, atomic number 17, 2, 8, 7. According to 2n square, there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell. Means more than 4. Each and every element, when these have more than 4 electrons in their outermost shell, then these have tendency to gain electron. Electron lose नहीं करेंगे. These have tendency to gain electron to complete their octet. So these are considered to be non. And you get any more example. Just like oxygen, is atomic number is 8, 2, 6, having 6 electrons in its outermost shell, and it has tendency to gain electron. So all these elements are considered to be non-metals. Okay? This is the general property of non-metals. Okay? Now I want to discuss about the physical properties of non-metals in detail. Okay? Physical properties of metal in detail. Especially now, physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals, physical properties. Number 1, non-metals are present in solid, liquid as well as gaseous state in room temperature. Means these are present in solid, liquid and in gaseous state at room temperature. Clear? This is the first physical properties of non-metal. Now under the second point, second properties. Okay? These have low MP and BP. MP stand for melting point, BP stand for boiling point. Okay, so these have lower value of melting point as well as boiling point. Melting point means that temperature at which any metal used to melt, and boiling point that temperature at which any liquid convert into vapor. Non-metal की BP and MP both have low. Third property. These have not the property of luster. Okay, these have not the property of luster. Okay, and exception is everywhere. Iodine is non-metal. This is the exception. Iodine is non-metal but having the character of luster, means in bracket except I2. Okay, fourth, these are bad conductor. These are bad conductor of heat and electricity. These are the bad conductor of heat and electricity. Means in ordinary state there is no chance of the movement of current, okay, or movement of heat, except one exception, except graphite. Except graphite, non-metal होने के बाद भी that is the character of conductivity. Okay, and fifth, these are soft. Non-metals are considered to be soft. These are soft except diamond. डायमंड नॉन मेटल होने के बाद भी बहुत हार्ड होता है. जनरली अदर ऑल द नॉन मेटल आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी सॉफ्ट. ओके, सेवन 6, these have not the properties of malleability and ductility. Malleability and ductility, you know, इनमें malleability और ductility का कैरेक्टर नहीं पाया जाता. Malleability, you know, are those substances which can convert into sheet on heating, convert into form of sheet, but non-metals can't have the character of malleability. And ductility is the phenomena in which एंड सब्सटेंस यूज टू कन्वर्ट इनटू वायर. वायर बना देना, वायर में कन्वर्ट करना, थिन वायर में. Metals have the character of ductility, but non-metal have not the character of ductility. Right? 7th. The non-metals are non-sonorous. Sonorous, you know? Sonorous means when any object used to hit with a strong object, then a particular sound used to produce. And non-sonorous means when non-metal used to hit with any hard object, there is no chance of a strong sound. Why? Sound. Hence we can declare, हम कह सकते हैं कि non-metals are non-sonorous. These are not the properties of sonorous. Correct? Clear? These are the particular properties of non-metals. आपके सामने properties लिखे हुए हैं. All these converted are explained in front of you. Non-metals also have the property of brittleness. Property of brittleness. These are the property of brittle. Means on hammering these used to break into small pieces. Okay? Having 8. These have the property of brittleness. Okay? Hence we have to discuss all the physical properties related to non-metals. Thank you.